So welcome to China, where it's super easy to get around. You know, you've got so many modes of transport. You've got the trains, you've got the metro, the buses, and you've got these shared bikes as well. So this can be accessed using the Meituan app. So Meituan is one of the food delivery services here, but they also own these bikes. So all you got to do is go into your Meituan, which is the same color as the bike. It's a yellow app. Scan the code, just like that. So you can also pop your phone in here as a little map. And these are the new ones. So some of the original ones were quite bumpy whenever you're riding them, but this one's got suspension, so it's actually quite nice to ride. So let's take it for a spin. So it is actually pretty comfortable. You know, as I'm going along, I'm not feeling any of the bumps. Some of the older ones, you can feel every bump in the road. But these ones, they've really improved the design. And the fact that you can put your phone onto it as well. So it's pretty important for navigation. So yeah, like my daily commute to work is usually 10 minutes. You know, I could get the metro, I could get a taxi, I could walk, but all of the other options will take longer. You know, even getting the metro, even though it's only one station, by the time you enter the metro station, pay for your ticket, you know, get on the train, get off the train, go up the steps, you know, you've already spent about 10 minutes and then walking to the station, whereas getting the bicycle is a lot easier. And another good thing about them is, you know, they're everywhere. It's not like in the UK or Europe where you have to put it in a docking station. Here, they're literally scattered everywhere. So they're readily available. Here we go. And there also doesn't seem to be a social stigma about using them. You know, the only people I see using them in the UK would be tourists. Like, I don't see many local people using the bikes, particularly in my own city of Belfast. I don't see many people using them to go to work, that sort of thing. But here I am, a professional person, a teacher, and I'm using one of the yellow bikes every day. It's great. Let's go. So yeah, the cycling infrastructure here is amazing. Like, I'm in Shenzhen, which is a super modern city, and so I can't speak for all of the cities in China, but certainly the ones that I've been to, Guangzhou, Xiamen, and so on, there's a good cycling infrastructure. Much more developed than the UK. I think actually in terms of green infrastructure, the UK is somewhat lacking, particularly in my own region of Northern Ireland. So yeah, take lead from China. Yeah, it is super smooth. Like I said earlier, it's almost like riding a private bicycle. You know, there is only one gear, so it's not very good in the hills. But Shenzhen doesn't have a lot of hills, really. It's quite flat. I'm not sure if this would do in Chongqing or somewhere more hilly like that. You will notice that you are sharing the cycle path with the motorbikes, the electric motorbikes. It can be a little bit tricky sometimes, especially at busy times. Just like here. Yeah, sometimes the people here don't tend to look where they're going, they just walk out. So you do have to be on your guard whenever you're cycling, for sure. What do you think of the communist bike? Would you like to have one in your country? Please let me know in the comments below. I think it's wonderful. You know, I'm not acting as a spokesman for the CCP here, but you know, there's a lot of things that China does very well, and public infrastructure is one of them. Green cycling, green transportation, all those sort of things. It's definitely leading the way, compared to my own native United Kingdom. So anyway, that's my short journey home from the office to my home place. Check it out. Hope you enjoyed the short video and giving you a little bit of insight into transportation and green transport in Shenzhen. If you like the video, please do subscribe down below. I'll give you more content like this. See you in the next one. Bye bye.